My apple?
Nah, something. Yuck. Pig. And boat.
Taste my apple, Rocco.
And duck.
What's wrong with it?
It's something.
It's disgusting.
Yeah. A road.
How are you going to get out of there?
We need tow truck.
Rocco needs a tow truck.
No. No, I need tow truck. No. I fell down. Help me, Mommy. Help me, Mommy. The out. Help me, the out. Help me, the out. Help me, the out. Help me, the out here.
How is Mommy going to get you out?
Actually, I'll by myself. I'll go there. Look at my pasties. Look at my pasties. Mommy, fell down here. Mommy fell down here. Mommy fell down here. Mommy fell down here.
How do I get you out?
Mommy, that out. No.
Do you want me to get a tow truck?
No.
How do I get you out?
I need to pull me out. Fetch me. Come here.